The BJP had 5 years to accomplish this. Then why it was all these announcements are being made just 4 months ahead of the polls? Clearly, BJP is nervous at the kind of overwhelming response that Goa's Trinamool Congress is getting. Hence, they hesitate to make big as announcement, but the chief minister should know that Goans can no longer be taken for a ride. The citizens of Goa are well aware that this is nothing but another pre-poll announcement, says TM's leader Yatish Naik.
The unemployment scenario is affecting so many livelihoods of the people. The aspirations of the youth are crushed. And now recently the Chief Minister has made a statement that the job recruitment process will be completed and expedited. I want to tell the people of Goa that these assurances of the Chief Minister and the BJP leadership have been going on for quite some time. This government under Pramod Sawant has been in power for the last 3-4 years. Nothing has happened. People are left in the lurch. And now that elections are 4 months down, they are again making these promises that we'll give jobs to people. People are wise and this government cannot fool the people at all times. They should understand that these hollow promises are exposed and people are very clear that they are not going to buy these hollow promises. Now, as far as another initiative of this government is concerned, the Sarkar Tumcha Dari, now administration has collapsed. The government offices which are supposed to be the interface between the people and the government, that is the basic offices of administration, they are not rendering any public service. Nobody is there to be sensitive about people's aspirations and concerns, and so to say the administration is not existing. And this sort of a farce that is being done in the name of Sarkar Tumcha Dari, people of the state are seeing through this. People of the state have understood.